On March 6, 1981, Marianne Bachmeier smuggled a Beretta into a courtroom of Lübeck District Court. She had fatally shot Grabowski, who was responsible for her daughter's murder. Bachmeier aimed the gun at his back and fired 7 times. 6 shots hit Grabowski, who was killed almost instantly. Bachmeier then lowered her gun and was apprehended without resistance. The incident is one of the most well-known cases of vigilante justice in West German history. It sparked extensive media coverage, and television crews from around the country and overseas traveled to Lübeck to report on the case. Bachmeier sold her life story for about 100,000 Deutsche Marks to the news magazine Stern. With the fee, she covered her legal costs. While Bachmeier was held in custody, many sent messages of support, gifts and flowers to indicate their understanding of her conduct. Nonetheless, there were still individuals who believed that a constitutional state should not condone vigilante justice. On November 2, 1982, Bachmeier was initially charged in court with murder. Later the prosecution dropped the murder charge. After 28 days of negotiations, the board agreed on the verdict. 4 months after the opening of proceedings, she was convicted on March 2, 1983 by the Circuit Court Chamber of the District Court of Lübeck for manslaughter and unlawful possession of a firearm. The defense's argument that the act was not premeditated was mostly upheld by the court. She was sentenced to 6 years in prison but was released after serving 3 years. On September 17, 1996, Bachmeier died at the age of 46 from pancreatic cancer in a hospital in Lübeck. She was buried next to her daughter, Anna, at Burgtor Cemetery,